14 here with the LEENPEKER Tesla J1772 adapter. Okay, here's the box that it comes in. Nicely packaged, arrived undamaged. Unboxing the adapter, there's an included storage bag, an instruction manual, and a warranty card. Go ahead and look at the specs. So it has a maximum 48 amp charge rate, which is the maximum that a Tesla Model 3 will take and that a Tesla version 3 wall connector will put out. Now, it also has an IP65 water rating. I took the adapter out of the box. It feels substantial, definitely heavy and feels well made. Now, the handle disconnect lever also feels heavy and well made. This is the part that can break on a lot of adapters. There's also a locking mechanism on the Tesla connector side. You can use this with a Tesla wall connector at a home or a Tesla destination charger at a hotel or business, and even the Tesla mobile charger. But not with the Tesla supercharger. There's no adapter that exists for that yet. I have the latest Tesla V3 wall connector. It's on a 60 amp circuit and it's set to 48 amps. Let's see how this works. First, I'm going to connect the adapter to the Tesla wall connector. It connects easily, no problems. Now I'm going to charge the Rivian R1T. Let's see how it goes. So the Rivian R1T started charging right away. You can tell because of the green line on the front. And if we look inside the vehicle, we can see it's charging on 11 kilowatts, which is 48 amps. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.